Romanian Deadlift, Split Stance, Dumbbells. If you're looking to improve hamstring flexibility, the Split Stance Romanian Deadlift, or RDL, is a good place to start. I like to use this exercise for both mobility and structural balance, as it allows us to compare the range of motion on the left and right sides. It's also a great progression towards both pancake and pike flexibility goals. During this exercise, we must keep the front legs straight and aim to push the hips back as far as possible, while, you guessed it, maintaining a flat back. Holding a dumbbell in each hand, start by placing the feet on the floor in a heel-toe formation. From here, rotate the back foot 90 degrees on the heel so the toes are pointing out to the side. Then turn the back foot 90 degrees on the ball of the foot so the toes are facing forward again. This allows us to have the same foot position for each set. Contract the front leg quads and pull the kneecap up to lock the knee and keep the front leg straight. The back knee is allowed to bend. Next, hinge at the hips by sitting the hips back and leaning the shoulders forward and down. The goal is to sit the hips back as you move the pelvis into an anterior pelvic tilt, APT. Focus on lifting the tailbone while using the hip flexors to pull the front of the pelvis down. If the pelvis was a bowl of water, you're trying to tip the water out the front of the bowl. Another helpful cue is to think about pulling the front leg into the back of the hip capsule as you lean the shoulders forward and down. Suck your belly button in towards your spine and use your hip flexors to pull you deeper into the RDL. The goal is to close the angle between the thigh and the belly while maintaining a flat back and going as deep as flexibility will allow. The primary goal is to maintain a flat back, and the secondary goal is to work on increasing the range of motion and closing this angle. Do not sacrifice the primary goal to accomplish the secondary goal. As flexibility improves, you'll be able to go deeper in the range. Once you reach your end range, reverse the movement by extending the hip to stand up straight. It can be helpful to grip the floor with the front foot and imagine you're trying to drag the front foot towards you. The front foot won't move, but the intention is there, and this intention will increase hamstring contraction. The split stance RDL can be performed for repetitions, isometric holds, or a combination of the two. 6 to 8 reps with a 10-second isometric hold on the final rep is a good starting place for most people. Don't be surprised if you have sore hamstrings the next day. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.